A train 135 meter long is running with a speed of 54 km per hour. In what time will it pass a telegraph post? See, in the given question, the length of the train given is length of the train given is equal to 135 meter long, and speed of the train given is speed of the train given is equal to 54 km per hour. Now convert this 54 km per hour into meter per second by multiplying 54 with 5 by 18. 54 into 5 by 18 meter per second, which is equal to 15 meter per second. Now we have to find in what time will the train pass a telegraph post. That is nothing but we have to find the time. And the formula to find the time is equal to distance upon speed. Since the distance, that is nothing but the length of the train, is the distance, and the length of the train given is equal to 135 meter upon the speed is 15. Now 135 upon 15 is nothing but 9 seconds. This is the required time.